Hello, welcome back to YouTube for Beginner series. In this video, I am going to talking about how to create a new YouTube channel step by step, including key optimization settings that most people will miss. That will help you maximize your results, even if you are already started. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure click that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Then once I upload the video, you will receive the notification. Let's jump into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to YouTube and click the sign in button over here. And if you have already Gmail account, you can sign in with that. And if you don't have account yet, just click on use another account and go to create account. And if you don't know how to create Gmail account, you can find the video link in the description below. And also I will play with video card. You can see it now top right here. So I go through that Gmail account I create before. Type your Gmail account here and give next. And now type your password. Give next. Once you sign into your YouTube channel, come up to top corner and click little profile picture here. Just click on create a channel and click here create channel. Now you have already existing your channel. Maybe you want to create a brand new channel. To do that, again go to little profile here and go to setting and go over to create a new channel. Then you can give your channel name over here that you want to create. Just click I understand I am creating a new Gmail account and just click here create. Before we proceed to the next step, shout out to Elvis TV, RK Rocks, Susanta Da Silva, Dilmi Kavisha and Nimeshika Vitanagi. You always help me to do my things. Thank you so much for your support. I always do a random shout out from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Then once I upload the video, you will receive the notification. The next thing you want to do is the verify your channel. To do that, just come to little profile again and go over to setting. And you can see here channel status and features. Just click on that. Then once you get this page, you can see here first one is already enabled, then second one is not enabled. To do that, you have to give your contact number to verify your channel. Just come over to little button and come down. Then you can see here verify phone number. Just click on that. You can select your country and they will ask you how should we deliver the verification code to you. So you can get the verification code through the text message and voice message. I select text message. I just keep it that one and come down here. Just give your mobile number and click on this. Once you receive the text message, you can enter here and give submit. Now your channel already verified. To check that, just go back to your setting. Then you can see here it's already enabled. Now you can upload your video longer than 15 minutes. Also custom thumbnails, live streaming and applying content ID claims. Now everything is enabled. And close it, go back to profile icon again and go to your channel to view your profile. and go to customize channel setting. Select your profile picture, just go to branding and come over to this upload. You can choose any profile picture for this one, so I create already before. Then you can resize your profile icon and give done. Now you already upload your profile picture. Then you can select your cover photo. Also you can resize that and give done. And third option is video watermark. For that you can select your profile picture or subscribe button, anything you can add here. Just click on upload. I just upload subscribe button here and give done. Then you can select these options: display time, end of video, custom start time, and you can select entire video. I just select entire video and go to basic info and come down and asking how to tell your viewers about your channel. This is your YouTube channel description. What you have to add in here now, you can add few sentences, short sharp paragraphs, and also including who you are, what is your channel about, and what viewers can expect on your channel. So I already typed description before. I just copy and paste it here. Once you type a channel description, just come down and you can add some social media links. To do that, just click on add link and you can type the title. So I'm going to add here my Facebook account link. So I go to my Facebook account and copy the link and paste here. And also you can put your email ID for business inquiries and give publish. Then go to your channel to check how your channel look like. Now go over to little profile again and come down, go to YouTube Studio. Then you can see so many options here: content, playlist. Just come down to monetization. Then you can see to get into the YouTube partner program, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So you have to complete these two targets. Once you finish this target, you can apply for monetize. So just come to down and notify me when I am eligible to apply. So just click on this. Now you can see here, we will send you an email when you are eligible to apply. Just go to setting again, and here you can see so many options. Just come down to channel. So now you can enter some keywords. What's your channel about? And go to advanced setting. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So here is three options. You can see here first one. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. So if you are creating your video for kids, you can choose this first one. And second one is no, set as channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that is made for kids. And third option is I want to review this setting for every video. So that means when you are uploading your video, this settings review for every video. I just choose no, set this channel as not made for kids and click save. So we will go to channel page now. This channel already set up and ready to go. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.